How to get and join Spotify Premium Duo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get and join Spotify Premium Duo. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up any web browser. And after you open it up, you will simply need to search for Spotify. Now you cannot do this with the app, so you will need to use the website. So open up the Spotify's website, and after you open this up, you will get the option called View Premium or Get Premium on the top. So simply tap on Get Premium. You can log in into your account beforehand, or you can log in while you do this process as well. It's completely up to you. So after you're here, tap on View All Plans, and after you do that, you'll get to see how you can pay for it. And if you scroll down for a bit, you'll find the Duo plan. Now all you need to do is tap on Get Premium Duo and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you will need to type in your payment details, and after you type in your payment details, you're basically good to go. Now you will have the Premium Duo on your Spotify. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.